Civil engineering is no longer only about the strength of materials or the precision of design. It is about the strength of leadership, the invisible force that holds people, projects, and purpose together. Every structure begins with calculation, but it is leadership that gives those calculations meaning. As cities expand, technologies evolve, and expectations rise, engineers who understand how to lead, not just manage, will be the ones who truly thrive. Who is a leader that has inspired your growth in engineering? Share their story in the comments. It might inspire others to see leadership from a new perspective. Leadership in civil engineering is not a position, it is a mindset. The best leaders are those who bring calm to complexity, clarity to confusion, and confidence to challenge. They know how to guide without commanding, to inspire without demanding. Leadership is about lifting others, helping every team member see how their work contributes to something greater than themselves. It begins with empathy, strengthened by communication and sustained through integrity. The most effective leaders in engineering balance technical mastery with human understanding. They know that even the most innovative design depends on the collaboration of people who trust and respect one another. A strong team is built not by authority but by authenticity, by leaders who value people as much as performance. This philosophy has been translated into action by organizations that see leadership development as a long-term investment rather than an optional effort. One example is AXA Engineers, where leadership is cultivated intentionally as part of everyday work. The company's guiding belief is that great performance can only come from genuine engagement and happiness. That philosophy comes to life through the AXA Engineers Total Employee Development (ATED) program, which develops not just technical skill, but also mindset, communication, and accountability. Engineers are encouraged to lead from where they stand, to make thoughtful decisions, take responsibility, and grow through every challenge. Leadership here is treated not as a title, but as a habit, a continuous practice of awareness and improvement. The results of this approach are visible in how teams function. Within AXA Engineers, projects are not simply executed. They are built on trust and shared purpose. Leaders emerge naturally at every level, shaping an environment where collaboration feels effortless and growth is a collective goal. It is a reminder that leadership development, when embedded into culture, transforms not just individuals but the quality and consistency of every outcome. Across the industry, the need for this kind of leadership is more pressing than ever. Civil engineers today face accelerating timelines, new sustainability requirements, and the challenge of managing global coordination. Leadership is what transforms these pressures into potential. The ability to adapt, to inspire under constraint, and to see opportunity in uncertainty is what separates those who endure from those who excel. Leadership also extends beyond the project site. It defines how engineers think about their impact on society. Every structure influences how people move, live, and connect. Leading with conscience means prioritizing not only safety and functionality, but also sustainability, resilience, and the well-being of future generations. The legacy of a great leader is not the size of the project they complete, but the value they create for others through it. Thriving in civil engineering requires courage. The courage to make decisions when outcomes are uncertain, to take responsibility when things go wrong, and to stand by values even when the easier choice is to compromise. Great leaders see setbacks as lessons, challenges as catalysts, and success as a shared victory. They build not just infrastructure but trust, the kind of foundation that lasts longer than concrete. To thrive in this profession is to expand one's capacity to serve. Leadership growth turns ambition into collaboration and transforms skill into influence. The most enduring impact of leadership lies not in the structures we build, but in the people we uplift along the way. The future of civil engineering will be shaped by those who lead with both skill and soul. The profession needs leaders who are steady in uncertainty, kind in collaboration, and bold in innovation. Those who understand that the foundation of every successful project begins with trust, and that true leadership is built not in the spotlight, but in the quiet moments of responsibility and care. So, what kind of leader do you aspire to be? The kind who finishes projects, or the kind who builds people? Share your vision, your lessons, or even your turning points. Let's start a conversation that redefines what leadership means in civil engineering. Because when leadership grows, the entire profession rises with it.